Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded, but I got something very special for you guys. I picked up this red OG Honda Grom a few months ago with some plans to swap it or make it fast. So today I'm here to introduce to you guys that I'm going to be starting a CBR300 swap on this bike. Oh, he's here!
Go!
He's here. Hold on, let me get myself.
Hurry! Guys, the package is here. Secure the back alert.
How's it going? How's it going, man?
Have the signature, please. Yes, sir.
It's going down. On the table behind me, we have everything from Steady Garage that we need. I have the mount kit, the swap header, the radiator. I've also got the A-Racer Mini 5. I've got a harness. I've also got the Chimera 44mm throttle body, Daniel Crowder cams, and pretty much everything that comes in the Steady Garage kit to swap this motor over. So today we'll be starting on dismantling this bike, getting all the panels off, getting the wiring harness out, fitting the new CBR wiring harness onto it, and hopefully getting everything ready so that way we can put the motor in and wire everything up and fire it up. Alright, so I pretty much got the harness all taken off. I just got to drop the engine here. Once we get the engine dropped, I can get the harness taken out, and then I'll start mounting up the new harness. Alright, got the motor out. Time to get this harness off. One here. Harness should just let it. Grom harness is out. All right, guys, so now that we got the harness out, I'm gonna go ahead and fit up the CBR harness, see how good it fits, try to figure out where I can route some of these wires. As of right now, I don't have any CBR controls, so I will be having to wire these up unless I find some CBR controls before the motor gets here. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, that's about as far as I'm gonna get today until the motor gets here. So I got the harness all loomed up. Everything's wired up for the most part. This is everything for the engine, so we'll know that when it gets here. Here's the radiator fan. These are for the controls. I'm gonna try to source some CBR controls just to make it easy. That way I don't have to splice a bunch of stuff. Less chances for failure. If not, I mean, it's not a big deal. I can spice those up. But I'm gonna try to source some of those. So pretty much all this is left is the controls here, the clusters up there, got the fuel tank, everything ran for the tail light. I also put the, the grounds, got the rectifier on there. So pretty much everything's ready. I even got the battery terminal up here. I gotta hook up the ground, which is right here, just gotta ground it there. So also got the ground cable there for the battery. And yeah, we're pretty much ready. Just once the motor gets here, we'll mock that up, mock up the radiator and everything else. So yeah, thanks for watching.